Hello. Okay, so I'm David from Casström, Sweden, and we are here in the IWA show in Nuremberg, Germany, and I just want to show you some of my products here. So the company is based in Sweden, where we design and control the production quality of all the knives, and we specialize in particular in bushcraft knives. One of our most popular models at the moment is the large felt knife, which you're seeing at the moment. So it's a knife with an 11.5 centimeter long blade and a Scandi grind. This is made in Bowler case 720 steel, which is a simple carbon tool steel, but very tough, hardened to around 58 to 59 Rockwell. And it's suitable for wood carving and for splitting wood, and for doing all sorts of various tasks in the forest, also for hunting and fishing and anything you need when you're out, maybe for more than just a few days, maybe up to a few weeks, maybe on a canoe trip or something like that. So very popular with bushcrafters. We also have some other models of bushcraft pattern, like the Swedish forest knife, that is available in several different handle materials, but also in two different steels. So in carbon tool steel, but it is also available in stainless steel from Sandvik, and you can see the different handle materials is micarta, curly birch, oak. We also have a slightly smaller bushcraft knife called the Woodsman, which is available in bog oak, 5,000-year-old bog oak from England. This is designed by Roger Harrington. You can see that is written on the blade there, and he's an English knife maker who designed this knife based on one of his most popular models. So that is a nice short 9.5 centimeter knife. We also have a hunting range or hunting version of the number 10 Swedish forest knife, which is with a full flat grind and stainless steel from Sandvik. This is available with curly birch in this is acrylic stabilized curly birch, so it is very water resistant, but it's also available in G10 and micarta, black micarta, so for ease of cleaning and so on. And most of our knives, we take pride in making sure that the finish is very high. Try to avoid any gaps and any sort of problems with the fit and finish. So this is something that a lot of customers appreciate. We also ensure that we provide good, high-quality leather sheaths in vegetable tanned leather for all the knives. Also we have some options with the fire steel attached in different woods depending on the material that you have.
What about this, the smallest one?
Yes, so this is the safari knife, which is a great little hunting knife. And kan du ge mig de där små knivarna där borta? And that is a nice little skinner designed by Alan Wood, English knife maker. And we have that available in a few different handle options. So it's available in stabilized curly birch and orange G10 as well. Hollow grind, very thin behind the edge, but also it's got a particular feature in that it's a tapered tang. So you can see it's thinner at the back than at the center. So a very nicely balanced little hunting, fishing knife, skinner. This is also available with some special leather sheath. So we've got a leather sheath to go with that as well. I can show you another innovation that we have, which is our number 3 Dangler. It's a modified carabiner, which is specifically made for knives, and the loop needs to go on the leather belt, and then you attach the D-ring to your knife, and you can easily clip it on, and it sits on your belt like I can demonstrate real quickly on my belt here. So I have a clip there. Pop that on. If you sit down, then the sheath can go on the side. If you're walking in the forest and it catches something, it will go backwards. Also, if you have a jacket, it comes down below the jacket, so it's very easy to remove the knife. If you want to have it, if you're running or something like this, you can even attach the sheath to your leg, and it will follow the joint of your leg perfectly. So it's a very flexible system. Also, if you're going back into the town or go into a shop, you can easily, quickly put the knife away, or you can hang it, attach it to your rucksack or something like this. So it's a very flexible system. This D-ring carabiner is also something that can be used for various other camping tasks, to put up a tarp or to hoist up some food. If you're in an area with predators that will be attracted to your food, you can suspend it up into a tree or something like this. So various different uses for this carabiner. It will hold over 100 kilos. So it's a strong carabiner made from aluminium. So this is some of the products that we have at the moment, and we also have some more leather products which are focused on the bushcraft market. So we make an axe, overstrike guard for axes, and some sheaths for axes, belt loop again for axes if you want to put an axe on your belt. This is a new product coming during 2018, a survival belt, which is going to be extra long, made in collaboration with Lars Felt from Sweden. This is also a little folding knife, which is a prototype, so a little preview of something to come in 2018. Strong lockback folding knife with Scandi grind, so it's strong enough to use for most tasks, apart from battening. But definitely very useful for all camping tasks if you don't need a big knife. Also make some specialized saws for hunting. So there are various saws on the market, but we make one which is has a stainless steel blade, and it's also removable. So by undoing the different screws, the blade can be taken off and exchanged for a new one if you break it, or if it gets worn out for any reason. So this is quite a good system. It's made from, the handle is made from G10, so a very strong G10 handle. It's quite a unique market product in that way. So this is some of an assortment of what we have to offer. Yeah.
Thank you very much.
Okay.
Have a nice day.
Yep, thank you.